Hello people! Today I'm going to make a Spanish dish called Huevos Rotos, which means broken eggs. And that doesn't involve me chasing children round the streets, throwing eggs at them. I promised I wouldn't do that again. It's a bit like Menemen, if you can remember that. I can't forget it. Let's make some Huevos Rotos. I'm going to start with 300 grams of chestnut mushrooms, which I've destalked and thinly sliced. Controversial, I know, but I was actually served it this way in a restaurant recently and it was delicious. Melt a knob of butter over a medium-low heat in a pan. Knob! Now add in a crushed clove of garlic and cook it really gently so that the garlic flavour ends up in the butter. When you can smell the garlicky goodness, add in the mushrooms. Mix well in the butter. At first they'll suck all the butter up. Season with salt and pepper, then turn the heat up just a little and cook these very gently. They're determined not to be cooked. After a few minutes you should see that the water is starting to come out of the mushrooms. Keep cooking on a low heat. After 7 or 8 minutes you shouldn't be able to see any water anymore. The butter will have separated, the mushrooms will have shrunk, so I'll turn off the heat. For my next trick I'm going to take these 2 potatoes and make them into chips. Not too big, they will shrink a bit, or you can cut them into rounds if you prefer. These are chips. Now what you might call chips, we call crisps, but these are chips, not fries, chips. You can cook your chips how you want, but I'm going to do mine in my air fryer. Next I'll heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a small pan. Then I'll lob in 70 grams of thinly sliced chorizo and cook it gently. Now you're only going to want to cook this for a couple of minutes, otherwise it'll go black and crispy and we do not want that. But when it looks like it's cooked, remove from the heat. Carefully pour off the oil into another pan and put the rest of the chorizo on a plate to one side. I'll turn the heat back on and add in 1 large thinly sliced onion. Now saute the onion until it's nice and soft. Once the onions have softened, add in 2 crushed cloves of garlic, a sliced green pepper, a teaspoon of dried parsley, mix well. Season with salt and pepper and continue to cook on a low heat. When the chips are done and the veggies are soft, put some chips in a bowl, put on some of the softened veg, then some garlic mushrooms, break on a couple of eggs, or if you've got enough pans you can fry or poach the eggs. Oh, that one's gone off to the side. Bad egg, naughty egg. There we go. Prop him up with a mushroom and a chip and some more mushrooms and another chip. There we are. Now I'm going to pop this under a hot grill until the white is cooked, but not the yolk. When the white's cooked, burst the yolk, this is the broken eggs bit, throw on some chorizo and some little bits of Serrano ham to finish it off. Oh, looking forward to my supper this evening. Nom. So there it is, Huevos Rotos. Simple and tasty. Just like me.